Good afternoon, guys. This is Neil with you from Maysan Auto Sales. Today I bring you another addition to our fleet. It's a 2003 Chevy Express 3500 with a 6.0 liter V8. This is a fleet vehicle out of municipal government. It was used for transporting personnel. This vehicle came from the East Coast. Overall, I'm gonna show you guys the video, the exterior, the interior, the engine bay, and the good, bad, and ugly, as always. Once again, my name is Neil with Maysan Auto Sales. My number is 330-333-5931. If you have any questions or comments, you could leave the comments below. I will have a link to my website for more pictures and information about pricing and everything. So let's start with the front. The trim over here is a little loose on this edge. Front bumper is in good shape. A few scuffs here and there. It does have a dent on the side here, as you can tell. This has a clean title. It runs great. Runs straight. These are all the FOP stickers. Windshield is in good shape. Paint is, a few scuffs here and there. It did have decals on the side, so the agency did paint the vehicle, paint over the decals. It does have the running boards. The running board's been also painted with the decals. Tires are okay. They're not new. Surface rust here, but it could be cleaned out. Overall, I would say this one is a little, as far as the exterior, the interior, it's not bad. As far as rust, it's not falling apart. The suspension is, and underneath is solid. But, it is what it is. It's a fleet vehicle. It was used just over 170,000 miles. But it does run great. You got the privacy glass. It does have one bench seat inside. Factory tow hitch. The back door is missing the lock. It does have a key fob with it, so you guys could open and unlock. This one opens, but the other side does not open, so that needs to be addressed. As you could tell, the brackets are on the bottom. One bench seat. A little scratch over there. A little dent over there. A little dent over there too, you could tell. But it runs great. This running board is a little bent over here, but it's solid. As far as the frame, I weigh 220, actually 200, and it's solid. So and you could tell they painted the doors. You know what I'm saying? It is a good running van, though. That's the main thing. It runs great. No leaks, oil leaks or nothing like that. Fluids are topped off. Let's start with the driver's side. Cloth seats. Cloth seats are not ripped, but they're a little dirty. The center console is broke. Factory radio in working condition. The front blower, the resistor is out, so it does blow in the rear. The controllers are over there. Electronics work. Horn, lights, signals, windows, power windows and stuff. This does not have the power seats, so headliner is in good shape. The 6.0 liter, if you're familiar with the 6.0 liter, if you're Chevy, if you've driven Chevy Express vans, you'll know how good they are as far as performance. Let's go in the rear. Well, I did show you guys already. Let's go to the side. Both side doors open. So usually this originally comes with 3 bench seats and the 4th in the back, so it's a 15 passenger van. but it only has one seat. I have less in the van. The price is really very reasonable. So give me a call, 330-333-5931. From my experience, these Chevy vans will not last. Front passenger side is also in great shape. I'm going to zoom in on the sticker over here if you guys want to pause it and get the codes. It is a 3500, so it's a heavy duty 15 passenger 1-ton van. Let's go to the engine compartment. I'll pause it for a few seconds here. Alright, so we're talking about the mileage, 173,486. The oil light will go away. It does have an ABS light with an airbag, so it's probably a sensor. They had a switch over here, I'm not really sure for what. Yeah, the blower in the front does not work. The blower in the back does work, as you could hear it. Let me go open the hood and show you guys under the hood. Engine is running 6.0 V8. No leaks. It runs good. No ticking noises. Fluids are topped off. Brake fluid is topped off. Steering is topped off. This is where the resistor is for the blower motor, for the front blower motor. Usually on the Fords, this goes out, but this is my first Chevy Express that has this, issue. But it's not a big repair. You could get those off of Amazon OEM for about $25, maybe between $25 and $35 shipped to you. So, I mean, I could actually order that for the customer, courtesy on us. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't repair vehicles here. Like I said, the vehicle has been running since I've been detailing it. No leaks or nothing like that. Tires are in good shape. I would say 65%. If you guys have any questions or you need more information, feel free to text me or call me, 330-333-5931. My name is Neil with Maysan Auto Sales. We are located in Northeast Ohio, 3700 Warren Meadville Road in Cortland, Ohio, 44410. I hope you guys like this video. Until the next one, God bless.